Hey, and we're back with 3 O'Clock Rock here at the studios in downtown Oakland. We're going to go over I Love Rock and Roll, the drum beat, and the couple different parts to it. So this particular drum beat, it starts with the drums, or the song starts with the drums, and it goes a little bit like this. It's like a pickup. And it counts like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. So, the part that's the most kind of like confusing for beginners is this dance with me. It has 4 kick beats in a row. So, I love rock and roll. We'll put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. We'll come and take your time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Well, come and take your time and dance with me. It's strange, and you might have not done it before, but that's how it goes. All right.